Hey guys, I figured I'd make a quick video of my Evergo 4c-10LW ceiling fan installed here in my workshop where I fix my washers. There's the famous Amana from about a week ago. I'm sorry I've been kind of short on videos. I've been seriously busy moving someone away who's trying to sell this house. But I'm back. So we're gonna start this thing on low. This thing flies. It doesn't do too bad on low. I put Aloha Housewares gloves on this. There's low. Put it up to medium. It gets a little bit higher. So you can see it's a little fast for a 42-inch on medium. It's a little shaky. Now I'll put it to high. This thing hauls anything on high. Now I'm gonna put it on high again so you hear the startup noise. I don't know if you guys caught that or not, but it's supposed to get really hot here today, and I have cans in here, so I figured turn this thing on, keep it a little bit cool in here if I can. Be a good thing. So there. Oh, fast. I'm just gonna leave it on medium. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's my Evergo 4c-10LW ceiling fan. So tune in for the next one. I will be around now. See ya.